So I got a package today after like 60 days. Well, it's almost 60 days now. So finally today it arrived. So let's take a closer look on what's in there. Let's make a little unboxing, unwrapping, whatever. Okay, so here we go. So let's check this out. It's obviously from China. It says, it doesn't say a date on it, but I think it's close to 60 days now. So let's see how the hell to get these open. Little X-Acto knife. Yeah, I think that's fine. There we go. Oh, looks great. What the hell is this? Oh well, some kind of number. That's the Klom 9-piece Premier pick set. So let's take a look at this, see what it's all about. This is actually a 9-piece. So let's go ahead and check out what's in there. Seems to be actually better quality than my big Klom set right here. Actually seems like the handles is better and the finish on them is a lot better too. I don't know if you can see that, but seems to be great. Yeah, that's another one right there. Well, this is just an unboxing and a quick overview what's in there. Got the tension tool as well. Seems kind of decent as well. I can already see a few that I think I will be using the most. And I believe that's these ones right here. No, not that one. Oh well, yeah, this one. I think this is the ones that I will be using the most. So I will make a full review of this in a short period of time here, and I'll be back very soon. This is just an unboxing, so there you go. That's what's in the package right there. Bye.